Hello all, hope everyone is doing fine. The purpose of this presentation is to get you introduced to AutoCAD. This is brought to you by CanterCAD Chamarajpet, number 10, second floor, Sissi Road, Chamarajpet, Bengaluru 18. A brief about me, this is me. My name is Nakul Srinivas Murthy. I am a project management specialist as well as drafting, modeling and analysis trainer. These are my personal details, my mobile number, email ID and my LinkedIn profile ID. A brief about me, my career. I completed my engineering in civil in the year 2009. Since then I am continuously working. Till today I have experience of 11 years providing project management services to construction industry. I expertise in project management tools like Microsoft Projects and Primavera, and I have helped the construction industry to manage projects efficiently using these wonderful tools. Also, I specialize in training civil, mechanical and electrical engineers in modeling, drafting and analysis software tools. I consider myself fortunate enough to have worked with real estate companies like Ozone Developers, Mantri Developers and Shobha Developers collectively for a span of 5 years. And this have helped me understand their perspective of construction industry. Also, I consider working with Tatas and JLL as a feather in my cap as they follow core values of customer satisfaction and ethical standards. For obvious reasons, both possess high standards of project management, following it and training their workforce towards being project management specialists. It's a pleasure being part of these wonderful companies and learning from them. The contents of this presentation: history and brief about the tool, purpose and uses, advantages of the tool, getting started with the tool, designs made using the tool, companies using the tool, history and brief about AutoCAD. AutoCAD is an application for 2D and 3D computer aided design and drafting. AutoCAD is one of the first tools designed for drafting. Also, even today, it is one of the most widely used drafting software worldwide. AutoCAD was derived from a program that began in 1977 and then released in 1979 called InteractCAD, also referred as MicroCAD. It was done by Maranchip Software Partners before the formation of Autodesk by co-founder Michael Brittle. However, the first version of AutoCAD was released in 1982. AutoCAD is developed and marketed by Autodesk Inc., which is headquartered in San Rafael, California, USA. The company was founded by John Walker in 1982 and also co-authored the first version of AutoCAD. Purposes and uses of AutoCAD. AutoCAD is a computer-aided design software that architects, engineers and construction professionals rely on to create precise 2D and 3D drawings. AutoCAD includes industry-specific features and intelligent objects for architecture, mechanical engineering and electrical design and even more. AutoCAD is used to draw and design our documents and the applications with easy customization options. Advantages of AutoCAD. AutoCAD is one of the most widely used pieces of design software. It is being used by all the companies, large and small. It has been a pioneer of the industry, having been around for more than 30 years. During that time, it has evolved to become one of the most sophisticated design tools on the market. It saves time. With a specific and user-friendly interface and workflow, AutoCAD works speedily it saves time of the designer. It can be used for estimation as well. With some inbuilt tools in AutoCAD, estimation of area, length of some of the parameters of the design can be performed. It can interact with other modeling softwares as well. AutoCAD files can be imported to other modeling softwares like SketchUp and 3ds Max, with which it saves time and energy of the architect so that he can involve in more creative work. Import and export to other file formats like PDF and lower version of AutoCAD is easy as well. Getting started with the tool, this is the default page, we get it. This is title bar, this is application toolbar, this is window control, this is tool ribbon, this is view control, crosshair and tick bar, drawing area, this is UCS icon, this is command window, status bar, this is navigation bar. When AutoCAD opens ready for you to start creating designs, you see a screen that includes the following. Title bar contains the name of currently opened file. Application toolbar contains options to open new file, to print, to export and import the file options. Window control contains option to close, minimize, maximize the presently opened file. Tool ribbon. The ribbon organizes tools into logical groupings. The ribbon provides a compact palette of all the tools necessary to create or modify your drawing. It can be placed on the top of the drawing area, which is by default, or it can be placed on right or left side of the drawing area as per the convenience of the designer. View control, it can be used to choose the views of the design. This tool usually helps in 3D drawing. Crosshair and pick bar, this will be the starting point of the designer's drawing or designs. This is controlled with a mouse pointer, also used to select the drawing in green and blue planes. Drawing area is a space available for designing. UCS icon signifies the working plane of the designs with X, Y and Z coordinates. Command window allows the designer to access the tools without searching in the toolbar ribbon. You can usually give short forms of the components you are trying to draw. For line, you can directly mention line in the command window so that a line appears in your crosshair and pick bar. Status bar. The status bar displays the cursor location, drawing tools and tools that affect your drawing environment. The status bar provides quick access to some of the most commonly used drawing tools. You can toggle settings such as grid, snap, polar tracking and object snap. Navigation bar contains tools used for navigation into the drawing space. Some of the designs which are made using this tool, this is some simple design of a ground floor of a building. This is more complicated design of a basement, and this is one more design. Some of the reputed companies using the tool. See, we have just tried to list down some companies, some big companies of course, but this tool is used by all small, medium, large, all companies. Turner uses it, L&T uses it, Ecom uses it, Rambo uses it, Sterling Wilson uses it, Design Tree uses it. This is a local Bangalore company, but a world-class company for sure. CMAC uses it, as well as Bechtel uses it. Thank you for your time. For further details on the course and further training in our institute or online as well, kindly get in touch with Cantercat Chamarajpet, number 10 Sirsi Road, Chamarajpet, Bangalore 560018. You can also call us or WhatsApp us at 944 810 246.